Hello traders, and welcome back to our Q's analysis class here tonight on Wednesday, December 12th of 2012. Carolina Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade mentoring program. So let's take a look at the Q's daily chart as we always do, and let's analyze it here a little bit. So first of all, look at this. Look at this beautiful test off of that upper area of resistance that we discussed and talked about briefly yesterday, which was at 66.32. And then we're testing it here beautifully, and we're pulling back down to the 50-day moving average, which you see here in dark red, as well as the 200-day moving average, which you see here in blue. And once we hit those, we bounced off of them, closing the day a little above them, slightly above them, and we were closing the day at 65.83. So now, what you need to pay close attention to tomorrow, as you already know, and you should already know, this area of resistance, the 66.32 mark, as well as those areas of support down here, all those moving average that you see on my chart. Make sure you pay close attention to all of them, as well as the 65.10. So you know exactly which areas you should watch really closely tomorrow and Friday. And now let's take a look at the volume. Look at this. Beautiful increase in volume of that little test off of the upper area of resistance and pull back down. So we are trading on a pretty decent volume here today above the average. That is really nice. And now with the MACD pointing higher still. So the MACD is telling us that we're still bullish. We're still continuing higher on the MACD because we are still remaining above the zero line pointing north. Okay, so pay close attention to this guy, because if you do ever see a major move with the volume confirmation on the Qs, you look at the MACD and make sure it's confirming as well. So all those things have to line up. All right, so I hope you already know it. If you don't, write it down and put it in front of you so you remember and you don't make mistakes like that. Okay, yeah, so that's all that I see on this chart here today. That's what I wanted to talk about, and hope it helps you. Safe trading, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.